Hey guys, so we heard a lot about the Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro in the past. Both smartphones are set to make its debut next month alongside Redmi Pad. And now WinFuture has revealed the entire specifications of both smartphones along with their possible price tag. The publication has also shared marketing images of the upcoming smartphones. Starting with the Pro variant, the Xiaomi 12T Pro will rock a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and a fast refresh rate of 120Hz. The display is surrounded by thin bezels and an extremely thin bottom chin. There is a tiny hole punch cutout in the top center of the display. But the biggest USP of this device will be its camera. The Xiaomi 12T Pro will rock a 200-megapixel main camera at the back. The main camera will be joined by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a completely useless 2-megapixel macro lens. So seems like the 2-megapixel macro camera is not going away, at least for now. It's kinda weird that we are getting a 2-megapixel macro camera even on a $850 priced smartphone. On the front, the device will rock a 20-megapixel selfie snapper. The heart of the device will be the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. Under the hood, the device will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charging support. Other noticeable features will include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 and NFC. Now moving to the vanilla 12T smartphone, the Xiaomi 12T will feature similar specifications except for the camera and chipset. The main camera on the Xiaomi 12T will be 108 megapixel. The rest of the two sensors will include an 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a useless 2 megapixel macro lens. Powering this device will be the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Ultra chipset paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. As for the pricing, the publication reveals that the vanilla 12T could be priced at around 650 euros and the Pro variant could be priced at around 850 euros. So that's it for this video, and what you guys think about this, do let me know in the comment section down below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.